class. Radha Mataji is going to be the class monitor now. Okay. So, yes, Sunita Mataji, you are now initiated. So, what was the essence of this part of Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, as here Lord Krishna is taking Arjuna to various routes to explain to him why he should fight.
Yes.
Various,
So, which route are we talking now?
uh, he's saying that if you don't fight, your enemies will be scorning you and giving you very bad names.
Right. So, what path is that? If Krishna is saying to Arjun, your enemies will be laughing at you if you don't fight. So, what path of understanding is Krishna giving to Arjun?
So it will be very shameful for him to be fearless.
Path. In the first, in the verses which were in 20th series, 20, 21, 22, all those, we were talking of Krishna telling Arjun about the soul. And that is the path called Gyan. He was giving him knowledge. That Krishna says, your enemies, your near and dear ones, they will not die because they are souls. And body anyway will die, will perish. So through the marg of Jnana, Krishna was telling Arjun, go fight, kill them. They're enemies right now. And if you have compassion for them, करुणा है तुम्हारे दिल में उनके लिए, then don't worry. The soul is always alive. So those two, Bhishma and Dronacharya will always be alive because the soul is alive. So that was the marg of Jnana. And in the conclusion of that was, Arjun, you must fight because body anyway will perish. आज नहीं तो कल शरीर तो छूटेगा ही ना. तो अगर तुम्हारे दुश्मनों का आज छूट जाता है तो क्या बुराई है उसमें. एंड इन केस यू डाई or you perish or your body perishes, you are still alive. तेरी आत्मा तो जीवित है. That was the path of jnana. And now, for the last few weeks, we have been doing the path of karma. तुम्हारा ड्यूटी क्या है. Now, that karma principle is a lower principle. नीचा प्रिंसिपल है, नीचा सिद्धांत है ज्ञान के मुकाबले में. In comparison to jnana, the karma principle is a lower principle. And Krishna was using that lower principle in case Arjun को बड़ा principle समझ में नहीं आया. Or Krishna was using the lower principle in case Arjun was unable to digest the larger or higher principle. अर्जुन में से ये ज्ञान म्यान मैं ये आत्मा होता मुझे समझ नहीं आता. आई कांट सी इट. देन कृष्णा सेज इफ अर्जुन हैज नॉट अंडरस्टूड दैट पाथ, let me give him a lower principle. And the lower principle is the Varnashram Dharma. Either we are a Brahman, or you are a Vaishya, or you're a Kshatriya, or you're a Shudra. In the present day world, 99% of us are Shudras. Because Shudra is the only community which works for somebody. राजा किसी के लिए काम नहीं करता है, ब्राह्मण किसी के लिए काम नहीं करता है. उसको तनख्वाह नहीं, पगार नहीं मिलती है, वेतन नहीं मिलता है उसको. द ब्राह्मण ओनली गेट्स चैरिटी. And whatever is extra than what he consumes or is required to consume, जो बच जाता है, the Brahman further gives it away as charity. वो भी आगे बांट देता है. He doesn't keep the food for tomorrow. So Brahman doesn't work for anyone. Raja, the Kshatriyas don't work for anyone. Vaishyas look after all the three other communities. अनाज करते हैं, गौ रक्षा करते हैं, कृषि वाणिज्य. He is looking after others. Shudra is the only community which works for somebody. किसी दूसरे के लिए काम करते हैं वो शूद्र होते हैं. So if you are working and you are getting a salary, well, technically you are a Shudra, and we all are Shudras. Anyway, so that's the Kali Yuga. So now we were talking of the lower principle. अर्जुन को वर्णाश्रम धर्म से सिखाया गया है कि तुम यू आर अ क्षत्रिय, और क्षत्रिय का काम, व्हाट इज द ड्यूटी? टू फाइट. सो in this lower principle also, Krishna is impressing upon, कृष्णा बार बार उसको फिर इस मार्ग से भी समझा रहे हैं, कर्म के मार्ग से, दैट इफ यू डोंट फाइट. ओके, प्रेम माता जी, कैन यू रीड वर्स नंबर 33? जोर से पढ़िएगा, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन डिवोटीज नीड टू हियर दैट.
If you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter.
I'm just putting it online for the devotees online. अच्छेत्वम इमं धर्मयम संग्रामम न करिष्यसि ततः सर्वधर्मां कीर्तिम च हित्वा पापम अवाप्स्यसि. व्हाट डज मीन? अथ अगर तुम, इफ यू, त्वम इमं धर्म्यम, तुम्हारा धर्म क्या है, तुम्हारी ऑक्यूपेशन. धर्म डज नॉट मीन आरती उतारना एंड वर्शिपिंग. द वर्ड धर्म हियर मीन्स ऑक्यूपेशनल ड्यूटी. तुम क्षत्रिय हो, क्षत्रिय का काम है लड़ना. इफ यू आर अ ब्राह्मण, योर ऑक्यूपेशनल ड्यूटी इज पठन पाठन यजन याजन दान प्रतिग्रह. लोगों को पढ़ाना, खुद भी पढ़ना, वेद शास्त्र पढ़ना और आगे पढ़ाना. पठन पाठन, यजन याजन, यज्ञ खुद के लिए भी करना, दूसरों के लिए भी करना. एंड देन दान प्रतिग्रह, दान चैरिटी देना और चैरिटी लेना. दीज आर द जॉब्स ऑफ अ Brahman, correct. Similarly, as a Kshatriya, तुम्हारा, your job is to fight. And first he has told him, I said, he has given him the knowledge of soul, आत्मा का ज्ञान दिया पहले उसको. और ये समझा अर्जुन, कृष्ण ने, कि अगर अर्जुन को, इफ अर्जुन हैज नॉट अंडरस्टूड द ज्ञान ऑफ आत्मा, लेट हिम टेक मी थ्रू अ लोअर प्रिंसिपल. एक नीचे के सिद्धांत से इसको दोबारा से समझाता हूं मैं. एंड दैट वाज द कर्म. तेरा कर्म क्या है? व्हाट इज योर धर्म? योर धर्म इज टू फाइट. अथ चेत, अब लेट्स लुक एट द वर्ड्स अगेन. अथ चेत तम इमम धर्म्यम संग्राम. संग्राम मीन्स लड़ाई करना. न करिष्यसि, अगर तुम लड़ाई युद्ध नहीं करेगा. ततः स्वधर्म कीर्तिम च, तेरे धर्म की भी और कीर्ति की भी, हत्वा, हत्वा मीन्स मृत्यु, टू किल. तो तेरा धर्म भी जाएगा और कीर्ति भी जाएगी. यू लूज बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड देन व्हाट विल हैपन? पापम अवाप्स्यसि, तब तुझे पाप लगेगा. बिकॉज, ओके, लेट्स गो टू 136, chapter 1, verse number 36. I'll put it on for the devotees online. So what does Arjun say here? In chapter 1, he is saying, sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressors. Aggressor कौन है? उसके अपने. His own people are the aggressors. That's why he says such aggressors. And what is Arjun saying? मुझे पाप लगेगा. To which, in chapter 2, Krishna says, if however you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, तो अपना धर्म नहीं करता है, अपना कार्य नहीं करता है, then you will certainly incur sin of neglecting your duties and thus lose all reputation as a fighter. So, hitva papam, sinful reactions, papam, sinful reactions, avapshasi, will gain. Arjun said, मुझे पाप लगेगा, मैं लड़ूंगा. Krishna has proved it. No, अगर तू नहीं लड़ेगा तो पाप लगेगा. And in today's verse, avachya. So, Krishna is giving the conclusion. Pretty much we are coming to the conclusion of the karma, the path of karma, the path of duty to fight. ज्ञान की बात नहीं हो रही है, यहाँ लड़ने की, बस सिर्फ अपना अपना धर्म करो। ब्राह्मण अगर अपना धर्म नहीं कर, इफ अ ब्राह्मण डजंट डू हिज ड्यूटी, then he will get the sinful reactions. And Brahman's duties are Patan Patan, Yajan Yajan, Dan Pratigraha. Nowhere does it say the Brahman duty is to fight or protect others. No, it's a Kshatriya's duty. Shudra's duty is to help the other three communities. Mandir banana hai, ghar banane hai. That Shudras will come in the picture, the labor class. Okay. And similarly, for Vaishyas, they are supposed to do Vanijya, Gau Raksha, Krishi. That was the job of. So if they don't do that, if they don't look after the cows, then they will get the pap. Similarly, Arjun is a Kshatriya and his job is to fight, to protect. धर्म की रक्षा करना है, so that people can do their occupational duties nicely. And Arjun, you are not doing it. And now Krishna was telling him, if you don't do it, what all will happen to you? So let's just look at the presentation for a minute. Online devotees, can you see the PowerPoint presentation on the right side?
Yes.
Thank you. So far, from verse 233, Krishna was telling him, if you don't fight, kya kya hoga? What will be the reactions of it? So in 233, he said, तेरे को पाप लगेगा and infamy, नाम भी खराब होगा. In the 234 verse, he said, there'll be dishonor, बेइज्जत हो जाएगा. And in 235, which was last week's verse and today's verse, Krishna is telling him, if you don't do your duty, people will laugh at you, they'll ridicule you. तेरा मजाक उड़ेगा. ठीक है? So, just trying to see where I am. No. Uh-huh. Yep. So, today's verses, please repeat after me. Avachyavadamscha bahun
Avachavadan
vadishyanti tavahitam
Shanti
tatam avitaha निंदन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम
Nindan Tattva Samarthyam
ततो दुःखतरं नु किम्
Tato Dukha Taram Nukam
अवाच्यवादंश्च बहून्
Avachavadan
वदिष्यन्ति तव हितः
Dishyanti Tatavahita
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
Nindan Tattva
सामर्थ्यम्
Samarthyam
ततो दुःखतरं नु किम्
Tato Dukha Taram Nukam
अवाच्यवादंश्च बहून्
Avachavadam
वदिष्यन्ति तव हितः
Dishyanti Tavahita
निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम्
Nindan Tav
ततो
Samarthyam
दुःखतरं नु किम्.
Dukham Taram
Anyone would
Nukum
like to repeat?
Avachyavadamscha bahum
Avachyavadamscha bahun. Louder.
padishyanti tahahita
Vadishyanti tavahitaha
dantastava samarithiyam
nindastastava samarthyam
tato dukhataram nukim.
tato dukkataram nu kim. Anybody else?
Chaya cha vadamscha bahun
Avachyavadamscha bahun
dishyanti tava hitara
vadishyanti tavahitaha
tasva samha hitam
nindastava samarthyam Tato dukkataram nu kim. Online devotees would like to, anyone?
Yes. Avache Vadityam Bahu Navidishya
Avachavadam shabahum.
Bahu Bahu Navidishya Vidishanti
Yanti
Tavahita
tavahitaha
Tavahita
tavahitaha
Nindan Nindan Satyav Samarthya
nindastav samarthyam
Tamo Dukhata Tarnukim.
tato dukkataram nu kim. Anybody else online would like to repeat? So, okay, let's go word by word. Avacha, unkind. Vadan, fabricated words. Cha, also. Bahun, many. Vadishyanti, will say. Tava, your. Ahitaha, enemies. Nindantaha, while vilifying.
while vilifying
Tava, your. Samarthyam,
someone
ability. Tataha, than that.
and dead.
Dukkhataram, painful, more painful. Nu, of course. Kim, what is there? Translation. Your enemies will describe you in many unkind words and scorn your ability. What will be more painful for you? Please repeat after me. Your enemies will
Your enemies will
describe you
Describe you
in
describe
many
you
unkind words
in many unkind words
and scorn your ability.
and scorn your ability.
What would be more painful for
Oh.
you?
what
What would be more painful for you?
So let's just look at one verse before because it ties up with the previous verse where Krishna had said, the great generals who have highly esteemed your name and fame will think, ये बड़े बड़े जनरल है ना, भीष्म, द्रोणा और ये दुर्योधन, they will think that you have left the battlefield out of fear only. तुम डर के मारे भाग गए हो. And thus they will consider you insignificant. तुम्हें बहुत लघु मानेंगे, छोटा सा मानेंगे. क्या क्या है, वेस्ट हो गया टाइम इसके साथ खड़े होके भी. एंड टाइंग अप विद दैट कृष्णा से आगे क्या होगा और बेइज्जती क्या होगी. अवाच्यवाद आज का वर्ष है. अवाच्यवादंश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहितः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यम ततो दुःखतरं न किम. कि हे कृष्ण, एंड let's have a look at the translation in Hindi. That will be a bit clearer. So it says avacyavadamscha bahun. So translation in Hindi. Anyone online would like to repeat the Hindi translation, please?
यस. तुम्हारे शत्रु अनेक प्रकार के कटु शब्दों से तुम्हारा वर्णन करेंगे और तुम्हारी सामर्थ्य का उपहास करेंगे. तुम्हारे लिए इससे दुखदाई और क्या हो सकता है.
So previously he said that they will consider you too small and they will think that you have run away from the field out of fear. आज के श्लोक में कृष्णा इज सेइंग, तुम्हारे शत्रु अनेक प्रकार के कटु शब्द, तुम चले तो जाओगे, once you have walked away, behind your back, what will they talk about you? They will talk all sorts of bad things, unkind words. इसे कहते हैं ना, we say he's like a sesame seed. Sesame seed which is useless seed. इससे क्या निकलेगा यार? And they'll scorn your ability. और तुम्हारे सामर्थ्य का उपहास में हंसना, मजाक उड़ाना. And they will scorn your ability. तुम्हारे सामर्थ्य, your ability as a fighter. They will laugh at your ability. The name that you have created for yourself by being a very good fighter, a Kshatriya. They'll make fun of that name. What can be more painful for you? Now, इससे दुख की बात क्या हो सकती है अर्जुन तुम्हारे लिए? सोचो. Here, as we discussed, Arjun is being given the path of karma. और कर्म के मार्ग पे फॉर अ क्षत्रिय, क्षत्रिय सपोज टू हैव पैशन, वो लड़ने का समर्थ नहीं होगा, देन ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्रोटेक्ट द अदर्स. इसलिए क्षत्रिय को अपनी जो मान होता है, दैट प्रेस्टीज, दैट इज्जत, वो क्षत्रिय के लिए बहुत प्यारी होती है. दे विल डाई, एंड दैट्स व्हाट कृष्णा इज टेलिंग हिम. That's what Krishna is telling him. If people laugh at you, at your back, इज्जत से बढ़ के तो क्षत्रिय के लिए कुछ है नहीं. Nothing more than the prestige. इससे ज्यादा दुखदाई बात क्या हो सकती है? Let's look at the purport for today. Lord Krishna was astonished in the beginning at Arjun's uncalled for plea for compassion, and he described his compassion as befitting the non-Aryans. Now, in so many words, he has proved this statement against Arjun's so-called compassion. I repeat again, it's a small purport only. Actually, I was trying to do 3 verses today, but I think we'll only be able to do 2. Lord Krishna was astonished in the beginning when, before Arjun said that he's not going to fight, Krishna was, a bit. If we look at chapter 2, Mataji, can you read verse number 2? I'll see if I can bring it for the sake of the devotees online. हाँ, कुतस्त्वं कशमलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यन जुष्टम अस्वर्ग्यम अकीर्तिकरम अर्जुनः. So क्या बोलते? When Arjun said, I'm not going to fight, what does Krishna look at him and say? My dear Arjun, how have these impurities come upon you? तेरे में ये गंदगी कहाँ से आ गई भाई? They are not at all befitting a man who knows the value of life. The people who know the value of life are called Aryans. ये जो हम आर्यन समझते हैं, that is not the Aryan. The Aryan means one who is spiritually developed. Those people know the value. Value of life means ये मनुष्य जीवन मुझे किस लिए मिला है. Those who understand that, they are called Aryans. So if Hitler says, I'm the Aryan race, I'm the original Aryan race, no, Aryan has a very different meaning. Aryan means those who know the value of their life. So Arjun is being told by Krishna, these impurities that I'll not fight, मैं अपना कर्तव्य नहीं करूंगा, these words are befitting, ये तो उसके लिए सही है शब्द, who does not know the value of life, जिसको अपने जीवन का मतलब नहीं पता, उसके लिए ये फिट है शब्द. Not for a man like you who knows the value of life. तू तो गुरुकुल का पढ़ा हुआ है. And you have been my eternal associate. How come you who knows the value of life, तू ऐसे शब्द कैसे कह सकता है कि मैं अपनी ड्यूटी नहीं करूंगा? Such impurities lead not to the higher planets, but infamy. ये बहुत शुरू में कहा था भगवान ने इसको, अध्याय के शुरू में. Okay, so in today's words, Krishna is saying, or Prabhupada is explaining, Lord Krishna was astonished in the beginning at the Arjun's uncalled plea for compassion. वो हमने देखा, we just saw in the previous verse how Krishna was astonished, and he means Krishna, described his compassion. His means Arjun's compassion. Arjun के अंदर जो करुणा थी, he described it as befitting the non-Aryans. ये तो उनके लिए सही है जो आर्यन नहीं है. आर्यन मीन्स दोज हु अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ. or whose life is developed on spiritual values. Perfect. Now, in so many words, he, देखिए H capital है for those online devotees who are new. Wherever H is capital, that means Krishna. Krishna के लिए छोटा H नहीं आता है. Or if you see the word his, H capital, that is for Krishna. And chota H, the small h will be for Arjun or any other living entity. Now, in so many words, he, the Krishna, has proved his, Krishna's statement against Arjun's so-called compassion. Arjun ने कहा मुझे करुणा हो रही है. Krishna is proving him against. By saying what? तेरा नाम खराब हो जाएगा. You will have to fight. You are saying I'll not fight. I'm telling you. For a Kshatriya to bear the insult will be worse than death. We have read that before, 2 weeks ago. Isn't it? What was that verse? Hmm? So then, एक minute. Considering a specific, no. There's nothing worse than use repetition. People speak in fact. There's another. We can just come back to that. No. So the 2 weeks ago, what we did, oh Partha, happy are those Kshatriyas who get the opportunity. And considering your specific duty as a Kshatriya, you should know that there is no better engagement than you for fighting on religious principle. So there is no need for hesitation. Bar, he is being told the same thing. Fight. At 34. People will always speak of your infamy. And for a respectable person, संभावितस्य चाकीति मरणादतिरिच्यते. मरने से बेहतर है. Dishonor is worse than death. Dishonor for a Kshatriya is worse than death. Verse number 34 में already बोल चुके हैं 2 weeks ago. And today he is saying the same thing. What could be more painful for you? Kshatriya के लिए it is worse. Okay, let's have a look at the presentation for today and let's see if we can do another verse along with that. Okay, so in Hindi, okay, sorry, we are on 37. Sorry, 36. Anyone online would like to read the Tatparya of this?
प्रारंभ से ही भगवान कृष्ण को अर्जुन ने अचायित दया भाव पर आश्चर्य हुआ था और उन्होंने इस दया भाव को अनार्यचित बताया था. अब उन्होंने
अनार्य जो आर्य नहीं हो, अनार्योचित बताया था कि तुम
अनार्यचित
आर्यों के लिए नहीं हो. आगे, हाँ जी.
अब उन्होंने विस्तार से अर्जुन के तथा कथित दया भाव के विरुद्ध कहे गए अपने वचनों को सिद्ध कर दिया.
हाँ, अब उन्होंने विस्तार से अर्जुन के तथा कथित दया भाव, जो करुणा कर रहे हो ना तुम अर्जुन, उसके विरुद्ध अपने वचनों को सिद्ध कर दिया कि देखो तुम्हारे लिए वो रास्ता करुणा का ठीक नहीं है. इफ यू आर अ हाई कोर्ट जज एंड इन द डॉक कटहरे में some relative comes of yours who is a culprit, you still have to do your duty as a judge. We may see the examples different in present day world. आज की दुनिया में शायद हमें दूसरे उदाहरण देखने को मिले, but you are supposed, this is what your duty is. Whether it is your own family member, you will do justice. Similarly, Arjun is being told, even though they are your own people, you must fight. Do your duty properly. Okay. I'll just read out Baldev Vidyabhushan's commentary for everyone's benefit. So one of our acharyas, his commentary is, moreover, this is a commentary, your enemies अहिताहा, जो अहित करते हैं तुम्हारा. The sons of Dhritarashtra will criticize you, will criticize your previously recognized bravery and call you many displeasing words like barren sesame seed. What a useless person. What extreme pain you will receive from hearing such displeasing words. Thus, these 6 verses, जो 6 श्लोक हैं, have shown that avoiding the war will bring about infamy and loss of Swarga. Not only would Arjun's estimation wane, मतलब कम हो जाना, in the assembly of mighty warriors, उसकी प्रसिद्धि कम हो जाएगी, but here Lord Krishna uses the word निंदन्तः, निंदा भी हो जाएगी. Arjun's enemies such as Duryodhan would say many unbecoming, unpalat, अच्छे word, things about him, such as, क्या बोलेंगे तुम्हारे बारे में? Look at that impotent Arjun fleeing the battlefield like a dog with its tail behind its legs, between its legs. देखो अर्जुन एक कुत्ते की तरह पूंछ अपनी लातों में दबा के भाग रहा है. And Karan would smirkingly add, और कर्ण क्या कहेगा? That although Arjun was very valiant in the past, एक शूरवीर तो था पहले, now fearing our might he has become feeble hearted. कर्ण क्या बोलेगा? पहले तो बड़ा शूरवीर होता था, लेकिन हम योद्धाओं को देख के, हमारे शौर्य को देख के बिल्कुल डरपोक हो गया है. And so he expeditiously leaves the battlefield like a coward to save his life. कर्ण कहेगा कि तुम एक कायर हो और उस कायरता की वजह से तुम अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भाग गए. Lord Krishna asked Arjun, what can be more painful than this? Radha Mataji, do you want to read Sridhar Swami's commentary, please?
तेरे
Ahit,
अहित
शत्रु लोग
शत्रु लोग
लोग
तेरे
सामर्थ्य
सामर्थ्य
की
की निंदा
करते हुए
करते हुए
अवाच्य,
अवाच्य
जो वाच्य न हो, में जो बोलने लायक ना हो, कहने योग्य बहुत से वचन कहेंगे,
इससे
बढ़कर
दुख
और
और
क्या होगा.
क्या होगा.
Right? So basically that's the verse. There's not much technicality in it, so I thought we could do more than one verse today. And very quickly, let's go to the second verse of today. So we have, as I said, we are pretty much coming to the arguments on karma. And I actually prepared up to 38, because 38 verse, which will come now next week, that verse takes us from the type of karma. अभी अर्जुन को कृष्णा is saying, तू अपना फायदा देख, look at your benefit. If you fight, you will get Swarga. If you lose, you will get Swarga. If you win, you will get a big kingdom. अपना स्वार्थ देख. Look at your own benefit. Forget about everything else. Look at your prestige. Your name, fame will increase more. And if you run away, people will talk bad about you. तेरा नाम खराब होगा. Profit loss, profit loss. Krishna is teaching in the profit loss calculation. Basically, what does it mean? It means Karam Kand. And next week, when we come, we'll be looking at how Krishna shifts the whole thought process from Karma Kand to Karma Yoga. Today, he is teaching him to work for himself. Sakam. Sa, apne liye, काम, desire, अपनी इच्छा पूर्ति कर, अपना नाम बढ़ा. But from next week, Krishna changes the tech. Gyan bhi khatam, karma also finished, Gyan also finished. Now he'll slowly take him towards the path of bhakti. That's coming next week. So a very important verse next week when we change our tack. हम अपना रास्ता, तीसरा रास्ता देखेंगे, and that is a very important one. So just to finish off for today, the today's verse, what is a link between the verse we just did and the next verse is, after defeating Arjun's argument of compassion, कृष्णा ने बोल दिया ना उसको कि इससे दुख की बात क्या हो सकती है, तेरी निंदा होगी, etc., etc. Now Krishna gives his final verdict with respect to the path of karma. Okay, so let's have a look. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जीत्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महिम् तस्माद् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृढ निश्चयः. Anyone, Mataji, from here? Mata, you didn't have your chance in the verse. जोर से
प्रपश्यसि स्वर्गम्
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जिह्वा भोक्ष्यसे महिम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. Online devotees, any one devotee, please, can you repeat? Online.
हतो वा पाप्स्यसि स्वर्ग जित्वा वा
No,
भोक्ष्यसि.
Didi, just one line by one line. We'll repeat after
ओके
you.
ओके. हतो वा पाप्स्यसि
स्वर्गम. हतो वा पाप्स्यसि स्वर्गम
जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम्
जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महिम्
तस्वा मादुष्येष्ट
तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय
युद्धाय कृत निश्चय.
युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. हतो वा, he's now, Krishna is concluding. हतो kill. हतो वा, अगर तुम मारे गए, if you get killed, प्राप्स्यसि, प्राप्त होगा, what will you gain? स्वर्गम, स्वर्ग मिलेगा तुम. We had done this before. What was that verse? Verse number 32. Can somebody bring verse 32 in front?
32. Yeah.
Yes.
Um,
Let me take you to verse 32.
Pavanam.
यदृशा चोपपन्नम स्वर्गदारम उपवावृतम सुखिनः क्षत्रिया पार्था लवन्ते युद्धम यदृशम. यदृच्छा, अपने आप, on its own, चौपपन्नम, मिल जाना, स्वर्गदारम अपावृतम, स्वर्ग का द्वार मिल जाएगा, सुखिनः क्षत्रिया पार्था, दो क्षत्रियज आर वेरी सुखी, लकी, लभंते युद्धम ईदृशम, जिनको अपने आप युद्ध करने को मिल जाता है, ड्यूटी करने को. So what is Krishna saying here? O Partha, happy are the Kshatriyas to whom such fighting opportunities come unsought. बिना मांगे मिल गई मौका युद्ध करने का. उससे क्या होगा? What happens by that? It opens for them the door of heavenly planets. If you die, you will get Swarga. पीठ नहीं दिखानी है. If as a Kshatriya you fight and you get. So today's verse number 37. हतोवा, अगर तुम मारे गए, if you get killed, प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम, तेरे को स्वर्ग प्राप्त होगा अर्जुन. जीतवा, जीत गया, अगर जीत गया, जीतवा भोक्ष से, भोग करेगा, किसका? महिम, दिस राजपाट ऑन दिस अर्थ. मारा गया तो स्वर्ग मिलेगा, जीत गया तो राजपाट एंजॉय करना. द होल वर्ल्ड विल बी अंडर योर कमांड. Krishna is giving him a gain, profit loss में देख, if you do this, gain and gain, दोनों तरफ से मिलेगा फायदा. तस्माद, therefore, इसलिए, तस्माद, उत्तिष्ठ, उठ जा. कौन्तेय, उत्तिष्ठ has actually, when Arjun left his bow and arrow on one side and said, I'm not going to fight, there are actually two meanings to Uttishta. Uttishta can also mean to stand up. Right now, Arjun is sitting and Krishna is standing and giving him the knowledge, arguments. So that's one meaning of the word Uttisht, stand up and fight. The other meaning of Uttishta is that it's an internal fight within Arjun. अंदर से वो दुर्बल हो चुका है. कार्पण्य दोषोपत स्वभाव 2.7. He admits that I'm weak now inside and I don't know what is good for me. So Krishna is trying to uplift him from inside, stand up from inside. Because once you get that power inside to stand up, that's more powerful than the external power. Because that power will last under any circumstance, because it has come from andar se aayi awaaz wo. So Krishna is saying by argument, if you lose, if you die, you will get Swarga. And if you don't die, you will get this Rajpat, you'll get this whole kingdom to enjoy. Tasmad, therefore, Uttishta, stand up. O Kaunteya, O Kunti Putra, Yuddhaya Kridanishchayaha. With determination, go and fight. Translation. Please repeat after me. O king of, O son of Kunti,
O son of Kunti,
either you will be killed
even you will kill
on the battlefield and attain the heavenly planets, or you will conquer
you will
and enjoy the earthly kingdom. Therefore, get up with determination
get with determination
and fight.
fight.
Very good. So let's look at the Hindi, if we have the Hindi translation by any chance. I don't know. I did think I had created one. Yeah, here we go. Translation in Hindi. Anyone online would like to read the Hindi translation?
यस। हे कुंती पुत्र, तुम यदि युद्ध में मारे जाओगे तो स्वर्ग प्राप्त करोगे, या यदि तुम जीत जाओगे तो पृथ्वी के समाज्य का भोग करोगे, साम्राज्य का भोग करोगे। अतः दृढ़ संकल्प करके खड़े हो जाओ और युद्ध करो।
Very good. Thank you, Madhuri. So now Arjun may say here, okay, we haven't done the purport, isn't it? Is there a purport here?
Yeah, even though
There is a
and
purport.
there's no certainty.
So let's look at the purport. Purport. Even though there was no certainty, बहुत छोटा सा commentary है. Let's go. Even though there was no certainty of victory for Arjun's side, he still had to fight. Because even being killed there, he could be elevated into the heavenly kingdom. Online devotees, can you read the Hindi translation, please? Hindi तात्पर्य?
यस। यद्यपि अर्जुन के पक्ष में विजय निश्चित ना थी, फिर भी उसे युद्ध करना था, क्योंकि यदि वह युद्ध में मारा भी गया तो वह स्वर्ग लोक को जाएगा।
Very good. So the question may be, and this is what we have discussed 3 weeks ago, isn't infamy better than death? बेइज्जती हो जाना, it's better than death. At least I'm alive. मैं जिंदा तो हूं ना. That could be Arjun's argument. And that one should bear it instead of dying. सहन कर लेना चाहिए. बेइज्जत हो जाओ, ठीक है, चलेगा. सहन कर लो. कहा ना in 2.14, what is that verse? It's a very important verse. 2.14. शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा अगम पाइनो नित्यास तम तितिक्ष भारतः. तितिक्ष हो, सहन कर लो, बेइज्जती सहन कर लो. Infamy हो जाए, it is better than death. Why does Arjun or somebody could bring this argument is because in the Mahabharata it is stated that one should attempt to defeat the enemy through negotiation, bribery, open attack, and other means, but should not fight if success is not guaranteed. अगर तुम्हें सक्सेस की गारंटी नहीं है तो लड़ना नहीं चाहिए, ये महाभारत में कहा है. In that case, war should be avoided, and Arjun can say that. अरे हम कहाँ जीतेंगे इनके साथ, दे आर, उनकी तो सेना बहुत बड़ी है. But we also discussed, for a Kshatriya, this is worse than death. And we also said, when it comes to duty, those who are leaders must do their duty, and especially on the leaders. And we also said, ek dag on a white cloth, one small stain on the white cloth, Mahaprabhu has said, people will look at it very intently. एक लीडर के ऊपर one dag is going to be very injurious for his reputation. People will take him lightly. A Kshatriya will not be able to do his job properly next time. कोई उसको सीरियस ही नहीं लेगा. If a policeman turns out to be coward and he is walking in the street, who will take him seriously next time? So that is countered in today's verse. Even though there was no certainty, चाहे ऐसी सिचुएशन थी कि अर्जुन का जीतना मुश्किल था, he still had to fight, because even being killed there, he could be elevated to heavenly planets. तेरा फिर भी लाभ है इसमें अर्जुन, you'll still gain out of it. Arjun thought of the situation as a lose-lose. अर्जुन ने सोचा, इनको मारूंगा तो मुझे पाप लगेगा, मैं मर जाऊंगा तो भी हानि है. लूज लूज, वो भी हारेंगे, मैं भी हारूंगा.
But if Prabhuji, they wanted to fight.
They wanted to fight. Arjun didn't want to fight.
He feel guilty about killing them because they wanted to fight.
No, they wanted to fight. Arjun is feeling guilty for not fighting. Arjun is feeling guilty because they are his own relatives and elders and gurus. How do I kill my own guru? So, when Arjun is thinking of a lose-lose situation, Krishna has turned the situation into win-win.
Prabhu, sorry, I'm a bit confused here,
Yes.
because that paragraph which you read before in the Mahabharata is
Yes.
that you must discuss and everything and then avoid fighting, isn't it?
If you have no chances of win.
There was a
Yeah.
Lord Krishna gave two
But not-
chances.
But
Exactly.
I think they tried
Everything
yes,
possible,
They,
and then-
they
To avoid the
before
war,
they
yeah.
went to the
So here,
Duryodhana was
But
there
here
fighting.
the
Ah.
Lord says that even if you didn't win, you will go to heaven. Is it encouraging Arjun? Yeah.
this is what we are coming to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So read the next line. The first box. Read that.
This is the second level of argumentation.
No, up above.
Oh, above. But Krishna has turned the situation into a win-win.
Win-win
Yeah,
means,
by saying to him, isn't it?
yes,
that
by saying to him, if you get killed,
yeah,
you-
you go to heavenly planet.
heavenly planet. If you win, you will get the whole kingdom to enjoy. Win-win. मरने के बाद भी तेरी जीत है, because you're getting a bigger destination or better destination.
So that's for all the Kshatriyas standing there.
Absolutely.
For everybody. Okay.
Kshatriyas are supposed to get.
Just confused there, Prabhu. I
Yes.
was saying that, and Krishna is saying not that both ways you will, win and
Yes.
everything. But in the Mahabharata,
Yes.
says that you, even though you discuss all that, you should not be fighting. Then you should
If
avoid
you-
that fight.
That is a generic sort of guidance, that if you think you cannot win, if you think there is no chance of you winning,
Then you look for other options. Yeah.
but Arjun, you are protector of dharma, and you have won battles in the past. You have even helped the demigods.
He was a famous fighter.
He was a famous
Yeah.
fighter.
Can we say that was just like a kind of rule for the Kshatriya, try
That
to
was more of a political rule.
rules, yeah, rather than and Krishna is in.
And the Krishna is saying,
Yeah.
Arjun, fight, because in the marg of karma, if you die, you will win. If you win, or if you're victorious, you still win.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the second level of argument, karma kand. First level argument was Gyan,
Yeah.
Atma ka Gyan. Atma ka Gyan says fight. Atma never dies. Second, karma. According to duty, कर्म कर, तेरे को फायदा होगा, या तो स्वर्ग मिलेगा, or you will get the kingdom. So दूसरी तरह से भी, if you look at this angle, Arjun, you should still fight. If enjoyment is your concern, अब वो कर्म कांड है, ये कर्म योग नहीं है, भगवान के लिए काम नहीं हो रहा है, तुम्हारे अपने लिए है. If enjoyment is your concern, then you will best enjoy by fighting.
Is the Lord setting example for the next generation?
No, Krishna is giving a lower principle. This is a lower principle. So Arjun is encouraged to fight. Right now, Arjun is discouraged. So Krishna is giving him three different arguments, each coming to the same conclusion: you must fight. Okay? So do your duty and fight, O Arjun. Now, very quickly, I'm just wrapping it up, just the last slide. Actually, there's a very, very good description after this, but I'll not take you there. A similar situation came for Vritrasur. Vritrasur जानते हैं कौन था? असुर है.
Shiva.
He was a
Vritrasur.
great fighter. He was turned into a animal because he
Vritrasur was a asur. Vritrasur. He was a demon produced out of a yagya by Twishta. Twishta swing
was
a Brahmin in a yagya whose son had been killed. So, as a revenge against Indra, he produced this demon out of fire. And this demon was fighting with Indra and his army, Indra's army.
and he was winning.
When he was a ferocious looking, आप फोटो में देख ही सकते हैं, and when he was winning, all of a sudden he saw the demigods were becoming more and more powerful against his army. His army started to run away. जितने राक्षस थे भागना शुरू हो गए. So he was sort of one of the very few left on the field as a commander. And at that stage, what does Vritrasur say to his army people? What does he say? जातस्य मृतोर ध्रुव एव सर्वतः प्रतिक्रिया यस्य न चेह कल्पः. Let's go to the purport, the translation itself. Vritrasur said, all living entities who have this, he's telling his army, all living entities who have taken birth in this material world must die. Surely no one in this world has found any means to be saved from death. कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो मृत्यु के मुंह से बच जाए. Even providence has not provided a means to escape it. भगवान ने भी कोई रास्ता नहीं निकाला है कि तुम मृत्यु से बच जाओ. Under the circumstances, death being inevitable, under the circumstance, death तो होगी ही होगी, if one can gain promotion to the higher planetary systems and be always celebrated here by dying a suitable death. What man will not accept such a glorious death? किसको ऐसी मृत्यु नहीं चाहिए होगी जो कि मृत्यु के बाद उसको स्वर्ग की प्राप्ति हो और इस धरती पे भी उसका नाम रोशन हो कि उसने ठीक से मृत्यु ग्रहण की है. So imagine even Vritrasur is telling his army something very similar to what Krishna is saying today in the verse. Fight, if you lose, you go to Swarga. So this knowledge was even known to the Rakshasas. Right? So there's more in this verse 33, but we'll not go again. I'll pretty much stop here. Yeah, we're getting late. And if there's anything else, we can do it in the next week. So hope this gives us one inclination. The inclination is that we must do our duty properly. And whether there is loss or gain in that duty, we should not worry. And we'll see in the next week चाहे हार हो या जीत हो, आप अपनी ड्यूटी करेंगे बिकॉज दैट्स योर ड्यूटी, विदाउट कंसिडरिंग जीत और हार इन दैट. So let's chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra for two reasons. One, for Adi Devi Mataji's recovery request to Krishna, and also that we will promise to Krishna that whatever be the circumstances in our life, we'll try our best to do our duty properly. Is that right?
And our
Ha-
duty is to serve Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama, Rama
Rama,
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 Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Any questions, any comments? Online devotees कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? कुछ सवाल है आपका?
No, everything is good, fine.
Thank you. Anything from here locally?
Very well explained, Prabhu. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank
Just think in the
And a bit some we have a summarize like kind of chapter 2 we are doing for some time. Like like it's Krishna has talked about
Yes.
Jnana Yoga. Now we are finishing with Karma Yoga. Then it will go to
Bhakti.
Bhakti. So
Next
this is
week,
something
sir.
we didn't see the overview of it. When
Now
we
you
were going through. So today we did
Very
see
good.
that. Yeah.
Very
Thank you.
Okay. Granthra Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki, Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki, Sai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, online devotee.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
We'll come back
Thank you,
to,
thank you.
we stop the
Hare
sharing and
Krishna.
yes.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
just let me think.
It's time to.
Okay. Thank you very much, online devotees.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Hare Krishna.